What is up, everybody? Today, I'm taking you on a journey that could change your life. We're jumping into the year 2030 to uncover 5 powerful secrets for future success. I've talked to experts, done the research, and broken it all down into a blueprint you can actually use. Forget the fluff. These are the real secrets the top 1% use to win. We'll face 5 wild challenges, and with each one, I'll reveal a key to thriving in the future. Buckle up. Your journey to 2030 starts now. Secret number 1. Set a goal so big it scares you. To prove it, I challenged myself to build a life-sized Lego car in 24 hours. Staring at a mountain of bricks, it felt impossible, just like the future can feel without a clear goal. But the moment I decided, I'm building a car, everything changed. Suddenly, chaos became a plan. I broke the task into steps, wheels, chassis, steering. That's the magic of a clear, specific goal. It turns overwhelm into action. If your goal is just, be successful, you'll drift. But, become lead designer in 3 years. Now you have a map. Your goal is your why. It's what keeps you going at 3 a.m. when you want to quit. So, what's your Lego car? Define it. Make it specific, measurable, and exciting. Without clarity, you're just drifting. And in 2030, drifting means sinking. Think of life like a video game. You need a main quest, not just side quests. Halfway through, the excitement faded and the grind set in. This is where most people quit. But a clear goal leaves no room for excuses. The goal itself becomes your fuel. Your brain is a goal-seeking machine. Give it a target, or it'll default to distractions. A vague goal is like telling a GPS, take me somewhere cool. You'll just drive in circles. A clear goal is an exact address. So, secret 1. Set a massive clear goal that excites and terrifies you. It's the engine for everything else. Now let's see if I can actually finish this Lego car before time runs out. The clock's ticking and we've got 4 more secrets to unlock. The Lego car is done. But success isn't just about goals, it's about what you do when you fall. For secret 2, I tried to cross a desert on a unicycle. Spoiler, I fell. A lot. This is about persistence. Every fall is a reason to quit, but every time you get up, you get stronger. The real test isn't talent or luck, it's what you do after you fail. Every successful person has a long list of failures. The difference, they get back up. Each fall is a lesson. My first 12 falls taught me balance. The 13th will teach me something new. Your career is the same. Projects will flop, you'll get rejected, you'll make mistakes. Are you going to stay down, or get up and try again? Persistence reframes success. It's not just about the finish line, it's about progress and small wins. The temptation to quit is powerful, but growth is on the other side of struggle. By 2030, change will be constant. If you're not resilient, you'll be left behind. You have to be the person who gets knocked down 10 times and gets up 11. I'm not even halfway across the desert, but I'm not stopping. This isn't about the unicycle anymore. It's about proving that refusing to quit is everything. Secret 2. Don't give up. Ever. I made it across the desert. Now, let's talk about the future's biggest fear, AI. To find out if a robot could beat me, I raced an advanced AI in professional drone racing. After just 24 hours of learning, the AI had every tutorial, every simulation. I had YouTube and a controller. The world will always feel unfair when you're up against technology. So, secret 3, continuous learning, but not just learning. Learning how to learn. I couldn't just watch tutorials. I had to break things down, apply them, and adapt instantly. That's active learning. I wasn't just learning what to do, but why things worked or failed. The AI could process data, but I could feel and adapt in real time. In 2030, skills will become obsolete fast. If you're not learning, you're falling behind. It's like running up a downward escalator. Stop moving, and you go backward. The AI was my competitor, but also my teacher. I learned from its perfect laps. Every crash was a lesson. I built muscle memory and intuition. The human edge is creativity, adaptability, and learning from experience. Your value won't be what you know, but how fast you can learn and apply new skills. Be curious. Be obsessed with getting better every day. After 18 hours, I was still slower than the AI, but I was improving fast. The AI was programmed to win. I was learning to win, and that's the difference. The final race? I lost. But in 24 hours, I went from 0 to competent. Imagine what you could do in a year. Secret 3. Become a learning machine. I lost the drone race, but I learned more than ever. Now, Secret 4. Your network is your net worth. To prove it, I threw a party for 1,000 strangers and challenged myself to make real connections. In a digital world, genuine human connection is rare and valuable. Every person has a story, a skill, a perspective. Any one of them could change your life. Most people stay in their comfort zone, but all the magic happens when you step out. The goal isn't to collect business cards, it's to have real conversations and learn from others. I met a designer who gave me insights, a caterer who shared stories of persistence. These are lessons you can't Google. Networking is a skill. Start small, talk to someone new, ask questions, be curious. In 2030, jobs will be more collaborative. The person who can connect and communicate will be invaluable. Every conversation is a potential door to opportunity. You're not just collecting contacts, you're planting seeds for the future. This isn't just about business. A strong network supports you through failures and cheers you on. Success is a team sport. Your network is your team. Secret 4. Be a connector. Build bridges, not walls. After all these challenges, here's the final and most important secret. I spent 72 hours in a soundproof, blacked-out box. No phone, no distractions, just my thoughts. This is about mindset. Your mindset is the lens through which you see the world. A negative mindset sees every challenge as a threat, every failure as proof you're not good enough. Inside the box, the negative thoughts were loud, but I had to choose to focus on the positive. A positive mindset isn't about being happy all the time. It's about believing your actions matter. When I fell off the unicycle, a positive mindset said, every fall is progress. After 24 hours, the negative thoughts faded. I started focusing on lessons learned and future goals. Mindset is a practice. You have to train yourself to find opportunity in every obstacle. In 2030, negativity will be everywhere. If you don't have a resilient mindset, you'll burn out. A positive mindset is your shield. It protects your energy and focus. This is the secret that ties all the others together. You can set goals, be persistent, learn, and network, but if your mindset is negative, you'll sabotage yourself. After 72 hours, I realized, I control my thoughts. I can choose optimism. Your reality is shaped by your perception. The world of 2030 will belong to the optimists. Secret 5. Master your mind, and you'll master your future. 5 challenges. 5 secrets for your future. Set a massive goal. Be persistent. Keep learning. Build connections, and master your mindset. This isn't just advice. It's your blueprint for 2030 and beyond. Don't just watch. Take action. Pick one secret and start this week. The future is built one step at a time, and you have the tools now. Thank you for joining me on this wild journey. If you got value, hit like and subscribe. Which secret will you start with? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.